Hi guys, for today's video, magamit tayo ng move for the pain. For fast relief from pain in muscle and joints. So, from joint pains, inflammations, backache, sprains, uveitis, fibrositis, and lumbago. Message to her gently into the bacteria. Absorb 2-3 times daily. Oh, so for example, sakit yung back pain. So, lagyan nyo lang. Saan ang pain? Pwede sa kamay. If ever may pain kayo sa joints, there. And joint and the feet. So the whole feet na feet. So you use move na. Oh, ano na ako guys, model na ako sa move, rapid relief. So thank you for watching.